Once you get done watching this video, you can go ahead and click on this link right here inside of the agenda where it says click here for Arduino app assignments. It's going to take you out into the modules. It's going to drop you into the software ones. You should be able to see what you're going to work on. There are two initial pieces to get started. One is the Inventor Intro and the other is the initial plan. You're going to start with the Inventor Intro. Go ahead and click on it. To begin, go ahead and click on the MIT App Inventor. It'll open up. You're going to go ahead and click this Create Apps button. It's going to ask you to log in. Make sure you log in using your Google account. If it doesn't ask you to log in, like mine, it's probably because you're in there already. Please make sure you use your school Google account to log into this. Don't try and log in with anything else. Once you're in there, the place you're going to go is underneath Help, and you're going to look for Tutorials. So the tutorials that we're going to work with just to get started are these right here where it says Beginner Tutorials. We're going to click on that piece, take a look down here, and see where we are. These are the tutorials that you're going to get graded on. The Hello Cody might be a good one to just kind of start watching and looking at, but you don't have to do. Talk to Me, the Ball Bounce, and the Digital Doodle, all of those are going to be ones that are graded. You'll notice that this particular assignment is worth 20 points. There's nothing to actually submit. What you're going to do is you're going to show me those on your either the actual tablet inside of class, an Android phone, or inside of the emulator online if you're working online. There are three ways to do the tutorial. The first one is actually to click this little tutorial link right here. It'll open it up on the left-hand side. It'll show you both the set of videos and a set of instructions kind of together. If you prefer to do just the videos on your own, you can click the middle one and click the little camera icon, or you can take and do just the written instructions. I prefer to take and do these over here on the left that shows me all of the pieces. Some other people prefer to do the ones on the right. It kind of is whatever you prefer. I like the combination of having both the written and the video to watch, so I prefer the one with the little B that you see right here, the Cody B. So once you're in there, it's going to walk you through step by step, tell you how to do everything. If you need to connect to a tablet, if you're in class, I do have tablets for you. They should be sitting on the back table with the computer. The check-in computer, they're back there. You can kind of pull them out. The only thing that I ask is remember what number you have and put it back in that same slot. Make sure you plug it back in so that it gets charged for the next class. If you're at home and you have an Android device, you can use your Android device to connect. Those instructions are actually inside of that first one. Inside of Talk to Me, it tells you how to set everything up and how to connect using the AI companion and a little QR code reader. If you do not have access to an Android device at all, you don't have a tablet, you don't have anything else, there is an emulator that you could use to set things up. The link is right here. You will need to install that on your computer. Basically what it is it's a small little program that runs alongside of MIT App Inventor and acts like a phone on the screen of your computer. Remember that there's nothing to upload for this one. You have to physically show me what you've worked on. If you don't show me what you've worked on, you will not get credit for this particular assignment. So make sure you show me each one of those as you work through. If you get stuck and you have a question, you're more than welcome to let me know and I'll try and answer it when I get a break. Or you can take and move on to the next one and then we can come back to what you need to. Same thing happens when you're ready for grading. If you get done and you're ready, you're more than welcome to take and go ahead and move on to the next one if I'm not ready to do the grading piece and that way you're not waiting on me. So the last piece is just a quick little introduction as to what's going on this page. Anything that you have on this page that you want to add, such as buttons, checkboxes, text boxes, that kind of stuff is going to be over here on the side. You just grab it, drag it, drop it onto the screen that you see here. The properties for that particular item will show up here on the right. Depending on what you have clicked, those properties change and you can adapt them. You can change the font size, the font color, the background, the color of the button, everything over on that right-hand side. When you're ready to program something, you just switch over to the blocks side from Designer. And this will allow you to pull in code blocks and actually work with those pieces and kind of make a program to go with it. So the Designer side is what makes it look the way it's supposed to on the screen. Blocks is where you program. You should be ready to get started.